The Victron SmartShunt. A little different than the old BMV 712. What's the differences between the two, you may ask? And why would you want one over the other? The old self-proclaimed Van Genius is here to tell you all the reasons why you'd want a SmartShunt over a BMV 712. And I'll tell you the big difference is right here. The old relay right here, the old digital readout, okay? In my van, I like to have it on the front of the vehicle so I can check my voltages as I'm driving, my amps going in and out. The old SmartShunt doesn't have that. The other thing it doesn't have is it doesn't have the relay right on there. Now these are good for 12, 24, or 48 volt systems, so you can use them for any system to check your readings out of your vehicle, how much amps you're consuming, how many amps are going in. Both of these will work. Now it has a little bit of a, are these directions? Are these directions? You know, people don't like directions. Okay. We have directions right in here, but let me just go ahead and take this little guy right out for you because actually the box doesn't actually have a pretty picture on it. I'd like to do it like Vanna White does it, like just a little bit like this, a little bit like that. It's just a little guy. It's just a tiny little thing, but it does so much, up to 500 amps right through here, okay? On the negative side of your battery, it measures all the current going into your batteries, all the current going out of your batteries. It does it all through their Bluetooth app. And as you know, Kenny, I like Bluetooth apps because it's real simple to do. Now, what a lot of people do with these is they forget to change the code on these things. And then people go in when you're in campsites and they'll change the program settings. So the very first thing you need to do, and it tells you to do it, is to change your password. If you want to change your password to 2727, that's the Nomadic password, 2727. I won't tell anybody. It'll just be a little secret between us. This thing's really simple to use. There's a VE Direct, there's an aux, and a battery plus. Now, you'll realize that inside the box, you've got two little cables. One of them's for power. The other one will check an extra battery or the midpoint in your large battery capacity system. Kenny, this little guy does it all. The question is, which one is right for you? I will tell you this, fundamentally speaking, if you're ever going to have an alternator, why did I say alternator? If you're ever going to have a generator or an auto start on your vehicle, you're going to want to go with this guy. This is the better guy to go with, okay? It's a little bit more coin, a little more money out of your pocket, but I got to be quite honest with you. If you're spending all this money on your electrical system and on your overland rig, is 60 bucks a big deal? I don't know. You save a couple little shekels over here, but you know, if you have money to spend, go ahead, get this guy. If you're a little bit more on a budget, get this guy. If you only use Bluetooth apps and don't need a digital readout, go ahead and go with the BMV 712. Guys, on the website, on YouTube, hundreds of unboxing videos, lots of videos of how to go ahead and set these up. We may do one for you later, but today I'm just telling you why I pick one over the other. And as you know, I am the self-proclaimed Van Genius, so follow along to more of our videos and we'll tell you exactly what we have going on over here at Old Nomadic Cooling. Let's go further.